Manager's desktop, a place where decisions are made. It's a shifting, inconstant landscape. It's been discovered that business managers interrupt one task for another on average every 8.5 minutes. Well, why is that? Because today's decision makers operate in an increasingly complex and information-rich environment. They juggle multiple projects and control multiple budgets. They analyze information from spreadsheets, databases, and graphs. They send memos to their staff, write sophisticated proposals for clients, telecommunicate with partners. They produce comprehensive reports for senior management that need to combine all of these elements. As a decision maker, then, your biggest challenge is to pull everything together into an orderly whole, and quickly. For that, you need powerful organizational tools. Tools that are easy to use, that work for you effortlessly.
Integrated software is a technology that the entire computer industry has endorsed, and Framework III has achieved the greatest level of integration of any single software package available.
Framework III from Ashton-Tate offers easily the most sophisticated combination of power and flexibility for the manager or professional today. With a single economic package, you can employ the 6 most popular business functions: word processing, spreadsheets, graphs, databases, outlining, and communications without ever having to switch programs. Now that's what I call integration. How does it work? Well, Ashton-Tate felt that your computer workspace should be just as flexible as your actual desktop. So Framework III follows a desktop metaphor. It gives you the same kind of access to electronic documents that you have to paper documents spread across your desktop. Framework III uses simple containers of information called frames. These can be arranged on the screen as on a desk in any manner. Flip from frame to frame with a single keystroke. Cut, paste, and copy easily between them. And when you're not using them, Framework III keeps frames neatly stored in desktop trays. And Framework III works along with many of the software programs you may be using now. You can import from and export to a long list of popular packages, including DBase products, Lotus 123, WordPerfect, Multimate, and others. Framework III also allows you to access and manipulate DOS files without ever leaving the program. Finally, Framework III has a fully integrated telecommunications function. Now you can tap into Dow Jones, CompuServe, MCI Mail, and a number of other online data systems. And the local area network version of Framework III includes electronic mail. All of this makes Framework III the most powerful and versatile software solution for business professionals and entire workgroups. To explore the full range of Framework III's extraordinary decision-making support, let's take a look at how Jack Gregory, a mid-level sales manager in a large corporation, plans to utilize Framework III. Jack's division manufactures and installs sophisticated medical equipment. His department currently uses several standalone programs.
I think there are 3 basic components to good decision-making. First, you have to gather and organize the information you need. Then you must analyze this information to determine your course of action. And finally, you have to effectively communicate your decisions to the right people. Organize, analyze, communicate. Many people overlook the fact that these 3 components of decision-making are very interrelated. That's why I've introduced Framework III to our group.
Jack gathers data to prepare a major proposal for one of his company's regular clients in the health services industry. He pulls up information about his client base. This he easily imports from DBase files. Then he gathers all the current information he can find, including departmental estimate sheets on current jobs, some rough notes and figures in framework files, a preliminary spreadsheet that a colleague prepared on Lotus 123, and an important field office memo on management changes in the customer's organization, which he received via Framework's electronic mail that day.
After we gather the raw information for our proposal, we can easily piece it together in a framework outline.
Each element of a Framework III outline can branch into any number of lower-level subframes. These can include information in different formats. For example, under this heading, Jack has listed 3 subheadings. One is actually text. One is a spreadsheet, and another a bar graph. This outline is a fully integrated document combining words, numbers, and graphs. A single keystroke gets Jack from the outline view to the frames it contains, or back again. When you move an outline entry, the program also moves the corresponding frames, and the outline is automatically renumbered. Jack has organized the material for his proposal into a logical outline. He has his raw data and a plan of action. Now comes the next step, analysis.
As a tool for analysis, I think Framework's combination of spreadsheets, graphics, and a full-featured programming language is by far the best I've ever seen.
What if I want to base our estimate on a general overview of cost in our region? Can Framework handle that?
Easy. Let's take a look at our 3 county hospital projects we currently have running. With Framework, we just pull up our basic cost analysis spreadsheet for each job, then hot link all 3 to a consolidation spreadsheet. The numbers might fluctuate daily in these jobs in progress, but every change in the individual worksheet will be reflected automatically in the consolidation spreadsheet. Most impressively, we can see all 4 spreadsheets on the desktop simultaneously. Notice that the graph in the corner is also dynamically linked to the spreadsheet, so it automatically reflects the changes as well. In fact, in Framework, you could link together as many graphs, spreadsheets, and databases as you want in a Framework document.
How well does Framework III accommodate the unexpected? As an example, my director calls me and asks me to put together a new set of budget parameters, like now.
Easy. Move your cursor to your file tray, pick up your quarterly budget frame, and open it on the desktop. It's a single frame, but it contains related subframes for specific budget items. I'll make a few adjustments to the travel expense worksheet, but it looks like I need more input. So, I'll open another frame and write a memo to our staff, asking everyone to submit expense report data. For me, the best thing about Framework 3 is you don't have to quit a function before jumping into another. With most integrated packages, you have to say, quit your word processing before you enter your spreadsheet. In Framework 3, you just move the cursor from a Word frame to a spreadsheet frame to a database frame to a telecommunications frame anytime you want. No quitting and restarting. It's beautiful. The switching functionality is instantaneous and transparent. I
use spreadsheets for financial statements. I also use spreadsheets a lot for budgeting, and I really like being able to just change one little thing in the budget and see how it will affect, and I don't have to do any more computations. Framework 3 does it all for me.
Once the data is organized and the decision is made, it has to be communicated. Framework 3 boasts a versatile, highly rated word processor and built-in electronic mail capability.
The Framework word processor has features that rival most standalone programs. And it's built into every area of the application, including cells of the spreadsheet and fields of the database. Now, let's get back to our proposal. With Framework 3, I can format my document any way I need to, using italics, underlining, and a host of other features. If I were hooked to a local area network, my colleagues could directly participate in creating the proposal. Then I can distribute it via the electronic mail function. The bottom line on Framework 3 is productivity. I usually get more done before my coffee break than I used to in an entire day. The funny thing is, I'm not working any harder. I'm just much more efficient.
The word processing has the spell checking in it, which I am the world's worst speller, so I wear that part of it out.
Organize, analyze, communicate. Framework 3 is the only program we've found that lets you do all this simply. And Framework 3 is remarkably easy to learn. because it features a single command structure with the same set of pull-down menus across all functions. Once you've learned one function, you've learned them all. An integrated software package should serve you transparently in a simple yet powerful way. It should significantly increase your productivity. It should help you pull together all the bits and pieces of your day into a sensible, orderly structure. And perhaps most important, it should free your mind, giving you time for the more creative aspects of your job.
One reason I really like Framework 3 is it frees me up to do accounting.
You don't have to learn 2 or 3 or 4 different packages.
If someone took Framework 3 away from me, I'd stop using computers.
Framework 3, the decision support solution at your local authorized Ashton-Tate dealer.